Okay, so let's demonstrate how to use a multimeter, ohm meter, to find an open motor winding. So again, I'm going to start here at my motor starter, and I've disconnected the wires that go out to the motor from my motor starter. And you notice there the wires are labeled 1, 2, and 3. And so again, if we measure between our windings, ultimately that's where these wires go to the windings in the motor, the resistance readings should be the same. And so in this case, I'm reading about 10 ohms. If I read between, that was between motor winding 1 and motor winding number 2. Now if I read between motor winding number 1 and motor winding number 3, if you notice there, we don't get any resistance reading there. We have open loop. The meter is telling us there is no continuity, and so there is an open in the wiring here. Now it could be between the motor starter here and the motor itself, so it could be the wiring in my conduit here going out to my motor. So the next step in my troubleshooting process would be to take the cover off of my motor connection box and perform my resistance test at the motor itself.